So guys, as we have discussed yesterday, till question number 25 of 2022 actually. So guys, we are resuming actually. So guys, the approach is simple, right? What I to tell you, my common sense approach. Basically, my common sense approach. So let's start with this question only. Read Priyal this question. Question number 26.
Okay. On one side
Hmm.
of 1.01 kilometer long road, 101 plants are planted at equal distance, okay, from each other. What is the
Hmm.
total distance between five consecutive plants? Five plants,
Hmm.
105, one plants,
Hmm.
whatever.
So tell Pierre what question is asking basically. Tell the demand of the
See,
question.
the road is 1 kilometer, okay. So in
Hmm.
that 1 kilometer road, 101 plants are there. The
Okay.
gap between five consecutive
You have to
plants
find out.
we
Yeah.
have to find out.
So guys, don't you think this question actually this question belongs to second class? Why they want this question actually? The reason is that there is one catch actually, and that is what you need to identify. Does examiner want to know that 1.10 kilometer equal to 11010 meter? No, examiner does not want this from you. This is easy question, guys. But what most of the people will do that they will convert into meter like 1010, then 101 plant. So basically, so when you divide, it will come 10. So now five plants, 10 5 ja
50.
50 meter. Absolutely wrong. So guys, you know
40.4.
what? Guys, you know what? Always think there is a catch. If UPSC is asking the question, it means there is a catch actually. Yes. So, so let's analysis that. So guys, just take one example, like a general example.
Mm.
Suppose that this is, wait a minute. Suppose that this is, what is going on? This is the length 30 meter. This is the road, 30-meter length. And I have to plant trees in equal distance. So one tree is here, one tree is here, one tree is here, and one tree is here. Each in 10 meter. So guys, tell me in 30 meter how many plants are there?
4. 30 meter. Huh. 4.
How many plants are there?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Four four plants. But gap is what?
3. 3.
Three only. So
Mm.
what question is asking that? Okay, it means distance is 30 only, but plant is 4. It
Mm.
means that one plant will always be higher than the distance, guys, because this one will not be counted as because it is the beginning, guys. So guys, here actually it is a 100 plant you will take into account, not 101 plant out
Mm.
of this distance. So the answer will be what?
Out of
10.1.
101, right?
Yes, 10.1. Now five consecutive plants. They are asking the distance. So
5
five consecutive
into
means plants means
10.1.
four gap. Four gap. So answer will be what?
Also 4 gaps. Okay.
Tell me what was there, Bhagya. You tell me.
1, 2, 3. Okay, I understood
Simple
4
math.
gaps. Mm,
No,
okay.
no. Tell. I will kill you. Tell.
What Manish
What is the
I told na answer in first only. Division, multiplication is there.
multiplication is there? I didn't understand what you're telling.
What you asked, what is there?
Hmm.
Hmm.
There is nothing but just common sense, guys.
Hmm.
Four plants means three distance. Means three gap basically. And gap means what? Distance. So always remember, guys. But in next year, what UPSC can do? They can change the program here. You know what they will do? They will give the gap and you have to find out the plants. Here they have given the plants, you have to find out the gap. So guys, they can reverse as well. So clear your concept. This is what is needed here. Read this question, Bhagya.
A, B, C are three places such that there are three different roads from A to B, four
Hmm.
four different roads from B to C, and three different roads from A to C. In how many
Hmm.
different ways can you travel from A to C using these roads?
Guys, this question is asking nothing but you know what?
The digits one.
Yeah. So suppose that question is saying basically कि A to B, we have to go from A to B four different road.
Mm.
So A to B four different road. It they
A
are
to B, three
three different
different
road.
road, Manish.
Three different road. Then B to C four
Four
different
different,
road. And A to C
three different
three
roads.
different road. So total how many ways are there to go from A to C? Question is asking. Common sense. What is there actually? Let's solve this. So first I will go from one way, two way, three way. Okay. Now guys here. Suppose that I will go by this
Manish, it is
way.
given a three different road goes from A to C. Why we are decoding again? Three different roads from A to C. How
Direct.
So
many different ways one can travel from A to C? How Manish
hmm,
can
That
tell?
is different. That is direct road from A to C, Priyal. You can
so
choose
that
A
is the
to
direct
C
route.
or A
Yeah.
B through B.
Means
You can choose.
yeah. Total we have to go from A to C prayer. But three are direct ways. But
We have to
now
take out indirect ways. You are saying
yeah,
this.
I also. So see here. Now suppose that if I'm going from this route, now here again I will have four way. So in the same way, this route again four way, this route again four way, which means ki 3 4 ja
12. 12.
12. And
Mm.
12 plus 3,
15.
this answer is a common sense actually. Okay, next question. Read prayer.
A has some coins. He gives half of the coins and two more to the B. B gives half of the coin and two more to the C. C gives half of the coin and two more to the D. The number of coins D has now is the smallest two-digit number. Smallest two-digit number. Okay, got it. And how many coins does A have in the beginning?
Guys, you know what? You can adopt a different approach to solve this question actually. But you know what? I have one smallest way actually. Actually,
You
this is
can go
my
now from
approach.
behind, right?
You no, I will not go from behind also. Mhm. You know what? To solve CSAT, there is a one my simple approach. You know what? Let me tell you. When statement is difficult, na option is easy. And when option is easy, statement is difficult. Here, statement seems to be difficult because two more B, then B more to C. There can be confusion, you know. So I will avoid this approach actually. And what I will do, I will follow my simple approach, taking the help of the option. But also there is a intelligence in taking option as well. Because this is my simple approach. That if I am taking the help of the option, so two option I will never take. The most higher and the
Lowest.
most lower. So remove it.
60 and 68. Yeah,
Okay.
that's right.
Now you guys should ask why you have removed most lower and most highest. Ask.
I will tell the difference is too much between them.
Hmm. No, no, this is not the answer.
Tell
You only
Manish.
told that.
Do you know why? Because suppose that if I will get any number, so if it is going upside, so I will take the higher. If it is low side, so I will take the lower. So that's why I will take the middle one. I will not take the extreme higher and extreme lower. So guys, whenever you're taking the help of the options, always avoid the extreme and lowest, then take the middle one. So that case, if you not get that answer in the first instance, so you can assume at least, okay, this cannot be the answer. Above is only one. And if I will take only this option, I take options and taking the answer. So I'm not able to find who what can be the answer because all three are the lower than the that. That's why, guys. So there is also intelligence, guys. This is what I have discovered, in fact. So, guys, let's say because see, I like this number, yeah, because zero is there, so it is easier to divide, right? So I will start from 60 only. Yes, I like this. Good. 60. Suppose that if first this person has 60.
Okay.
Now, what this
32
is
he give
saying?
to B.
Okay, half and two more. So
Mm.
32 to
Hmm.
B. Then what?
16, 17, 18 to C.
Two more. So it means
C.
16 plus 2, 18, uh, 18 to C.
C.
Then what? Again.
And
So here
11 to D.
11 to D. But guys, here should be smallest two digit number.
10.
That is
10.
10. It means ke 60 is higher than what should be the answer. Because I have got 10, but answer should be I have got 11, but answer should be 10. It means ke I should take less than 60, and there is only one number less than 60 in option. That will be the answer.
But you have
If you
excluded, na?
you have what you have I have excluded Priyal.
Most highest and most lowest you have excluded, na? You said.
Hmm. So
So 52 you put as the answer, Manish.
hmm. Okay. You have not understood.
I got it,
Suppose
but
that
you have not this
suppose that
logic.
A has 52.
No, no, I got the logic,
So
Manish.
so B will have how much?
That,
28.
that I got.
C will get how much? 16.
Hmm.
D will get how much? 10.
10. That I got. You have
Hmm.
this logic, na, that most highest and the most lowest number could not be there.
So
Before you
see,
tell,
I have taken 60 and
you
the
said between
answer
60,
ans
68 will be
see
their answer.
see I have got see real I have taken 60 and I got the answer 11. But the smallest two digit number is 10. So it means it must be the lower than the 60. That's why it will come lower. But there's only one option which is lower than 60. 52. This is what I'm saying. Na? If I would have taken 76, then I would not have known that which one is lower because all three are lower. Na? That's why always avoid the most lower and most smallest. Bhaga, have you understood?
Yes, Manish.
What you understood? Tell.
Hmm.
You told na that
Tell.
one. If you take between numbers, if you got high value, you can go to highest one. If you get that least value, then go for the least one.
Hmm. This is tell me any other easier method than that in the market? No. You cannot solve the easier method than this, what I told you actually, to solve this question. If you want to make the equation, you can make it, but it will take at least 2 minutes to bring this answer. Yes. Hmm. Read Priyal.
In this series, A, B, A, B, A, B, C, A, B, C, D,
Hmm.
A,
Which
B,
letter
C,
appear
D,
at the
100
hundred
place.
place? Guys, I don't know why UPSC love this type of question actually.
Hmm.
But there's nothing actually. Let me tell you what is there. Nothing actually. They are just, yes, means confusing
100.
you actually. Wait.
Shona
See,
once
guys.
a series.
Already we have solved this type of question earlier, right? A, A,
Hmm.
B, A, B,
See,
C, A, B, C, D.
see. A, A,
You
B,
solved series.
A, B, C, A, B, C, D,
Hmm.
and A, B, C, D, E. It means here A, 2, 3, 4 alphabet, 5 alphabet. Don't you think then, guys, this is the series of natural number?
Mm.
Hmm.
Yes. Now question is asking a 100 place. So guys, to find out the 100 place, first we need to have how many numbers are there, right? It means
Hmm.
what is the sum of this series? So to get the sum of the series, we have one formula that is very good.
N
And
N
into
into
then
N1
N by
upon
plus
2.
plus.
2. So guys,
100
because
plus 1.
according to the option, I will take the because see GHIJ. So I will take a rough option. Let's say I'm taking 12 here. So 12, then 12 plus 1. So it will be 6 and
Hmm.
13, 6. It is 78. But the
Hmm.
question is asking 90, 100. So I have to increase the number. Let's say 13. So here it become 14, then 2. So it is a 13 7 ja 91.
Hmm.
Yes, 91 is there. Now now see guys, this is
Take
the end
14.
point. Now we have to increase it. So 92A, then 93, 94, 95, 96, 97,
7.
98, 99, 100. So A, B, C, D, E, F. G, H, I. I think I will be the answer. Yes. Tell me if you have any doubt. So guys, always identify the series because series is increasing. They can give in decreasing order also, guys. So that time we have to decrease, but here we are increasing because see A, then AB, then ABC, then ABCD. That means they are in increasing order. That's why I have increased from A to I. Bhagya, have understood?
Yes, Manish.
Real?
Yeah.
Hmm. Okay. Now read this question, Bhagya.
Three-person ABC are standing in a queue, not necessarily in the same order. There are four-person between A and B and seven-person between B and C. If there are 11% ahead of C, 13 behind A, what could be the minimum number of persons in the queue?
See, guys,
Monday
this is a order and ranking question. But guys, here if you will solve with your conventional method, na, it will take at least 3 minutes to solve this question. But you know what? Question is asking minimum. It means we have to put the value minimum. So the answer will be what? 22 because this is the minimum only. But no, this is not the way actually to find out the answer. I will tell you the way actually. So guys, you know what? Whenever you are asked to find out the minimum, so you have to identify the mediocre value. For example, let me tell you that. For example, if I say that okay, there is one person in Jammu Kashmir and he wants to go in Kerala, so it will be long distance, right? But if that person came to MP, now from MP he can go anywhere. He can go anywhere. That will be in the mediocre basically. Jammu Kashmir, Kerala, Assam, and Gujarat.
Pradesh,
So
yeah.
guys, so always take the extreme value at the middle position whenever you ask the minimum because we have to reduce the distance actually. So now let's understand which is the extreme value. So guys, if you read the question carefully, so you will get here there are 4% between A and B, 7% between B and C, and if there are 11% ahead of C and 13% ahead of D, here is the catch. So I will start from the A actually. So let's start then. What is the issue then? So suppose okay, A is in the middle. Okay. Then there are 4% between A and B. So 4% between A and B. Okay. Then 7% between B and C. So I will take C here because we have to reduce. Na? If I will take here, so it will extend then. So here 7%. Na? So here 4, 5, and 2. Okay. Then if they are 11% ahead of C means this side. So 11%, right? So 2, 1, 3, 3, 4,
This
3,
will be
7
behind na Manish, not ahead. Ahead will be other side of C, right?
ahead.
Ahead.
Ahead, Priyal. Ahead. This side is ahead, Priyal. Na? This is
Behind.
behind. This is behind. This side. This is ahead. So
Oh,
C, so if there are 11% ahead of C, so 2 and 3, 4, 3, 7, 8, it means 3% are there. Okay. Then 13 behind A. Behind A means this side. So 2 and 3, it means 10 is left. So
10.
now count 10, 10 plus 1, 11, 2, 13, 14, 14, 4, 18, 18, 1, 19, 19, 3, 22. This is the answer.
Are you
Otherwise, if you
saying
want to,
behind
hmm,
13 behind A is not satisfied? Okay.
I will kill you.
Okay,
You
Manish.
attention carefully. So guys, if you want to arrange a big program, so you can arrange. It will take a minimum 4 hours. I challenge you to find out this answer because they are saying minimum. No matter how intelligent you are, this is the easiest method to solve this question. This question. Read Bhagya.
How many seconds in total are there in X weeks, X days, X hours, X minutes, and X seconds?
Guys, looking at the option, they are very difficult actually. I told you. When option is difficult, so this will be easy. Yes, the answer is here only.
Convert
Otherwise,
all
if
of the things
other
into the week,
yes,
seconds, right?
because if I convert week, days, hours into second, guys. So it will take, I think, 4 minutes
Why?
actually.
Acha.
Yes, you convert, Priyal, convert. At least because week is there, na. So
Hmm.
7 week, then convert into hour, then convert into a minute, then convert into second. If you want to arrange a program, you can arrange, but I will do my own approach. Yes, guys, you know what? Why we need to get afraid of yaks actually? Yes, I will take it 1 week, 1 day, 1 hour, 1 minute, and 1 second. 1 second, guys. It means one will be unit digit. Any doubt? No doubt. So I will remove it. Yes. Now 1 minute. It means 60 second. So it means 10 digit will be six. Only one option is left. There is any doubt you have. Yes. This
One week
is
you took na one instead of X, right?
X
One
means
week.
X is a unit here, Priyanka. So you can take either you can take five also. The answer will be the same. But
How
why
two
will you take
ones
five
with
then?
five monies? Do ones with five.
Priyanka, it will take time. You have to count then. That time you have to count. But I'm saying ki X means this is the unit. So understand the approach here. And I think I have told this approach, right, Bhagya? One
No
earlier.
money.
No,
Mm-hmm.
no, I told.
See, I would
Hmm.
remember. Approach, I would remember. No?
Really, you have recorded the video in Forum IS. I have told this approach. If
Bhagya?
you,
Hmm. I didn't remember.
hmm, this question. Don't worry. After 2 days, guys, I will take one full length CSAT test of you guys, and then we will live test. Hmm. You decide the
Manish,
time.
today you didn't send CSAT test yesterday one.
Hmm. Because today I wanted to teach this. That's why. After 2 days, guys, I mean after some days, you will have one full length test, guys. Don't worry. You guys are enjoying too much. Don't remember even what I have taught. Okay, wait. Don't worry. Read to
Speaks to
36.
RSTU
Read, Priya.
are six members of family. R is the
Hmm.
spouse of Q. Okay. U is the mother of T and S. And S is the daughter of U. P's daughter is T and R son is P. There are two couples in the family. Which one of the following is the correct?
This is a blood relationship question. You guys can solve this
Gender
question.
gender matters
You
here, right?
you guys can solve this question. Should I tell
Hmm.
this question? Or you guys can solve it?
We will try right now.
Right now, not. Then better I will tell. Hmm. See, guys, in this test question, you know what? Always remember the data. What data is given. And the more on option is very close. So you have to be very careful here actually. Always remember one thing. See guys, whenever you see the question, no, don't just run up and solve the question. Understand the pattern first, what question is asking. Option is so close. It means you have to be very careful here. Your single mistakes can make commit error here. So always keep that in mind, guys. Guys, I told you, no, never focus on the answer. I'm telling you, focus on the process. Which a process I'm telling actually. These are things. Hmm. So see now, six members are there. Okay, no problem. R is the spouse of Q. R is the spouse of Q. But who is the husband and who is the wife? I don't know. U is the mother of T. U is the mother of T. It means ki U definitely is female. Okay. And yes is the daughter of you. Yes is the daughter of you. It means they are definitely siblings. Any doubt here? And yes is definitely female. Hmm. P's daughter is T. Don't you think P and you will be couple? Of course. So it means definitely it is male. And R son is P. R son is P. So it don't you think he will be P then he will be you. They are couple, they are also couple. Basically, right? Because question is saying there are two couple in this family. So one couple is this, one couple is this actually. And P is male and this is female. So yes and T are the son and daughter actually. I don't know the gender of T actually, right? But I know gender of yes actually.
And
Hmm.
R is also a male here.
R R,
R
R
is the
son. No,
spouse of
no,
Q, right? Spouse.
no. How have you got R? R is male Priyal. You have not got, na? R son is P actually. No, no. And there are two couple in the family. Which of the following is correct? I'm missing something. U is the mother of T, and yes, the daughter of U. P's daughter is T, and
Manish, erase na. Do it from the backwards. It is easy from the backwards.
now see, question is saying Q is the grandfather of T. Q is the grandfather of T. Possibility is there. Q is the grandmother of T. Q is the grandmother of T. R is the mother of P. R is the mother of P. Mother. R is the
Possibility.
mother. No, no. This is not. And T
R
is the
is the
granddaughter
father.
of Q. T is the granddaughter of Q.
Yeah,
Q.
possibility is there.
T gender is there. P is daughter. Yes, T gender is there. It
P's
is.
daughter is T,
Yes.
right?
So it means D is right. Because I don't know the gender of Q and R actually. Because they are spouse. Spouse means what? I don't know who is female and who is male. So it's just common sense actually. So yeah, the answer will be D. Guys, this question is easy, but not that easy actually what you guys think actually.
So
And be
why did
careful,
you cut
guys.
this R is mother of P, Manish? See, R gender
I don't
is
know the
the.
Possibility.
Uh,
I don't know the gender of R. I don't know the gender of R Priyal, that's why. But
got
I know the gender of T. That's why I've gone with T actually.
got it.
Very good. I like this question. I like this question. Okay. Read Bhagya.
Consider the
37.
question and two statements given below in respect of three cities PQR in a state. How far is city P from city Q? Statement
Hmm.
1. City Q is 18 kilometers from city R.
Hmm.
City P is 43 kilometers from city R.
See, you know what? If you this is data sufficiency question, and if you arrange a big program,
Both
then it
statements.
will take time. So, guys, you know what? Use common sense. How far is city P from Q? So, you know what? Here, how far, guys, question is asking. So, guys,
Not
we need
sufficient.
what?
Data.
Direction.
Direction. Direction.
So, let's see direction have given or not. So,
No.
see,
No,
city Q is
not.
18 kilometer from R, but here no mention of P. So statement one is not sufficient because no mention of P even. So how can I bring the answer, right? And city P is 43 kilometer of R, but here no mention of Q. I cannot bring the answer. And even if I combine, but direction is not there. So I can put in any direction. I don't know. I cannot bring the answer. Yes, because see, if I take a city Q is 18 kilometer from R. So suppose that this is Q and this is R. This is R, this is R. I can take any direction. Yes. So I don't know ki in which direction they are. So guys, in blood relationship question, gender is there. In in these types of question, when they ask the distance, so direction is important. Always remember this thing, guys. If you remember this thing, you can answer this question very easily. So the answer will be D. Both are not sufficient. All right. Okay. So guys, should I tell this question or are you guys can answer this question because this is a syllogism question, guys. See, let me tell this question once. Then next time you guys can solve this question. In fact, Hmm. So see, all pens are broken.
Let me read now question.
All read Priyal.
The statement followed by four negatives are given to. You have to take the statement to be true even if they seem to be variance from the commonly known facts. Read all the conclusion and then decide which of the given conclusion logically follows or follow from
Hmm.
the statement
Read the
disregarding the
statement.
commonly.
What question is saying?
Okay. All pen are books. No chair is a pen. All chair are books. Okay. And some chair are pens. All books are chair. No chair is a book. Which of the following is correct?
Hmm.
Only conclusion one. Okay.
Hmm.
Okay,
See,
okay.
guys, in these types of question, one thing always remember.
Two
You know what?
statements actually.
We need definite answer in all cases. Definite. It should be definite, not possibilities. Because each and are there. It means they are definite. Okay. So the best way to solve this types of question, you know what? Make the diagram. So
Venn diagram.
first statement is saying
Sandhya.
basically
All pen and books.
all pens are book. So this is pen and this is book.
Okay.
All pens are book. Then no chair is pen. So pen has no connection with chair. Okay. Now read the first conclusion. All chairs are book. All chairs are book. We cannot say कि all
Wrong.
chairs are because chair say the books is there. So first is definitely wrong. Then some chairs are pen. Some chairs
Wrong.
are pen. No, no, they cannot be. All books are chair. All books are chair. No, because if pen is not chair, then how can all books can be chair? So this is also not. No chair is book.
D
No chair is
probably will
book.
be the
No, no,
answer.
we cannot say because B have connection with P and chair, not B and C. That's why we cannot say about this also. So answer will be none because no definite answer is there. Guys, in these types of questions, we need definite answer. So the answer will be D actually. Hmm. So guys, in the same way, this question is also like that.
Should
See,
we solve right now this question?
mm, see, read this question. Read Bhagya, this question, 39.
Okay, okay. Yes.
Three statement followed by three conclusions. No, statement one. Some doctors are teachers. All teachers are engineers. All engineers are scientists. Some
Hmm.
scientists are
So see,
doctors.
hmm.
Wait, ma'am.
See
We
guys.
will tell. We will
Some
tell.
doctors are teachers.
Those are teachers.
Engineers.
Okay. All teachers are engineers.
Some scientists are doctors. All engineers are doctors. No, some engineers are doctors.
All teachers are engineers. All engineers are scientists.
Tell what is the answer?
Wait,
The
ma'am.
answer
All
will be
engineers.
1 and 3.
Uh,
Hmm. Because we cannot go vice versa.
hmm.
Because what second is saying? All engineers are doctor. No, no. We cannot go vice versa here. Because some can be, but all engineers are
No,
doctor.
cannot.
We cannot say like that.
Cannot be
Hmm.
because all teachers,
Yeah.
some teachers are
Hmm.
doctors,
Yes, yes. So
some
guys,
engineers
I'm
are
telling you,
doctors.
कि we need definite actually. कि is it possible or not? So guys, again here, blood relationship question. You guys can try later on this question. Easy question. But guys, let me tell, let me give you one piece of advice. Guys, whenever you get definitely correct, so it means the answer will be none. Most of the cases. Because question is saying definitely correct. So most of the cases, the answer will be none. If you want to prove, you can prove later on, not right now. Okay, this question. Read Priyal. Question number 55.
Five friends, PQ XYZ, purchase some notebooks. The relevant information: Z purchased 8 notebooks more than X did. P and Q together purchased 21 notebooks. Q purchased 5 notebooks less than P did. X and Y together purchased 28 notebooks. P purchased 5 notebooks more than X did. In each notebook is priced as 40 rupees. Then what is the total cost of all notebooks?
See guys, you know what? Here examiner is very clever. They have given those options which are divided by the 40. All
Hmm.
options are divided by the 40. Otherwise, you know what? I would have eliminated. He got my trick, I think. See, that's why he has given like that. He all options divided by the 40. So here I have to solve the question. Because always be aware actually, you know what? Always. Yes. So you know what, guys? This question is long actually, but I will make you easy. The best way to solve these types of question, you know what? You find out the similarity actually. Guys, here is the similarity. P and Q together purchased 21 books, and Q purchased five notebook less than P did. Q purchased five less than P did. So now here you can get the answer of P equal to 16 and Q equal to
Mhm.
how much? You will get not 13, P equal to 13 and Q equal to 8. You will get here if you will solve these two equations. Now you got P and Q, so now it is easier. So P purchased five more books than CX, so X will be what? 8. Then X and Y together purchased 28 books, it means Y will be what? 20. Then Z purchased 8 notebooks more than X, so Z will be what? 8 more. So Z will be 16. Gadgeted 16. Now I've got the value of all the people. Now count all together. They will become
2016.
around 65. So 65 you will multiply by 40, you will get the
40.
answer 2600. So guys, you know what? Here is the catch. I told you from here you start because PQ, PQ. So they are the similar to statement. Now you can find out, you will get the answer. Yes. See guys, here the problem is not to bring the answer. Here the problem is to save the time. Yes. This question. Read Bhagya.
A man started from home 2:30 hours and drove to village, arriving there when the village clock indicated 15:15 hours. After staying 25
Hmm.
minutes, he drove back by a different route of length 1.25 times the first route at the rate twice as fast, reaching home at 16 hours as compared to the clock at home the village clock is.
Hmm. See guys, you know what? This is you know what a calendar question, but they have tried to make it difficult. But guys, if my concept is clear, this is not difficult, right? So guys, here option is difficult because they are very close, but this is easy actually. Yes. Guys, tell me tell me what we have to find out. Time. Time, na? Yes, as per the clock, the village clock is what time?
We
So
solved
time
this
so
one earlier.
time time equal to what? Distance upon
Speed.
speed. So guys, let's see while going from because question is saying that कि a person is in home and he is going village, right? So when he is going and he stays some time, then he come back as well. So total duration is what? 90 minutes. Because see, he started from 2:30 and back to home 4. It means total duration is 90 minutes. But out of 90 minutes, he has enjoyed 25 minutes. Yes, with friends. So the remaining this traveling time is 65 minutes total. Total traveling time is 65 minutes now. Okay. But you know, guys, there's one condition. So while returning, he has increased his speed twice and the length is also increased 1.225 times. So no problem. Let's solve this question. So for example, because we have to find out the time, so time equal to distance upon speed. So suppose that while going from home to village, his speed was x and time was 1. Now while returning, his length increased 1.25 times. So it will become 1.25 x. Now speed is also doubled. So it is double, right? Equal to 65 minutes total, not traveling time. Now, if you will solve this question, basically you will get here 2x plus 1.25x equal to 65 and 2 is 2 here multiplication. So you will get here 130 and here you will add, you will get 3.25x, not x equal to here. So if you will solve this question, guys, you will get something around 40. So guys, that person should take 40 minutes to reach the village. But he has taken 45 minutes because he has started from 2:30 and reached to 3:15, 45 minutes. It means 5 minutes extra. It means the village clock is 5 minutes fast. This is the easiest way actually to solve this question. See, I am making you understand that's why it is taking time. But when I will solve my alone, I will solve this question within 30 seconds. Hmm. Real any doubt?
No, Manish.
And Bhagya?
No.
Hmm. Okay, read real this question. 47.
A person X want to distribute some pens among six children A, B, C, D, F. Suppose A get twice the number of pen received by B, and the three times that of C, four times that of D, and five times that of E, and six times of F. What is the minimum number of pen X should buy so that number of pens each one would get is an even number?
Guys, here is the catch.
Manish, this is which year? Paper 2022, right?
Yes. Here is the catch actually. Here. Even number should be, guys. Yes. So, guys, question is saying a person X wants to distribute some pens among six children. Okay, I don't know who they are. Suppose A gets twice the number of pens received by B. Suppose that A gets twice of B, then three times of C, then four times of D, then five times of E, and six times of F. Because this is what question is saying, if
Mm.
you read carefully. Yes. Now, guys, in these types of question, what we need to do that we need to find out the LCM actually. So if you find out the LCM of these all numbers, you will get the 60 LCM. It means K initially A has 60 pen. So B will have 30 pen because A is double. Then C will have you divide by this. So 20 pen and D will have 4, 15 pen and E will have 12 pen and F will have I think 6 pen. But guys, there is a one condition, even number is there. So this is even, but this is not even. So to make it even, we have to double it. 30. So again, guys, we have to double all the number then. So it become 120, 60, and here 40, and here 24, and here 12. Now you add all the number, you will get 294. Guys, you know what? What is the beauty in this question? If you will not double, so you will get the answer 147. And they have also given the option 147. This is the beauty of the UPSC actually. That is what I like about it. Yes, because they are going the same direction in which I am thinking. Yes, because if you forget this even number, so will not be double, so you will get this number. Even if you are intelligent, then I am talking. Otherwise, you cannot reach till here also. But if you are intelligent, then you will get this answer. That's why we have to double and we'll get 294. Any doubt, Bhagya?
No, Manish.
Hmm. Real?
No, Manish.
So guys, watch this video again once. Hmm. Read Bhagya this question.
Six
48.
person A, B, C, D, E, and F are sitting equidistant from the each other around a circular table. Consider the
Hmm.
question and the two
See
tables.
guys, okay, leave it. So again, guys, data sufficiency question, right? And more on sitting arrangement. Okay, but I will follow, what, simple approach basically. What question is, how many persons are there? 6 person, guys. So suppose that this is a circular table and there are 6 person. One, two, three, four, five, six. Okay. Who is sitting on the immediate left of A? I don't know where is A, and then we to find the immediate left. But first, I need to know the exact position of A, guys. I repeat, if you do not find out the exact position of A, so you cannot find out the who is sitting immediate left. So first, my purpose will be to find out the exact position of A actually out of six. So let's see information is given or not. First, B is sitting opposite to C. B can sit anywhere. Here. I don't know. Opposite to C. So let's say B, C. And D is sitting opposite to E. D, E. But I don't know about A. Anything here. I cannot bring the answer by from one. Now F is sitting on the immediate left of B. F is sitting immediate left, but no information about
Between
A. I cannot.
B and D.
I cannot. And even I will add both guys because they have not given any information about A. I repeat, they have not given
Hmm.
any information about A. So how can I fix the exact position of A? Because there can be multiple chance. Multiple chance means data is inadequate. Answer will be D. If you want to arrange the program, you can arrange the program. But I understood the answer will be D. So guys, see, be logical, guys. This is what I'm telling you actually. Yes. Read this question, Priya. 49.
Consider the question in two statement. What is the age of Manisha?
Money
Manisha.
side. Guys,
Manisha.
this is age question. I
Hmm.
repeat, this is age question. In age question, let me tell you guys, we need two things.
Manisha.
To det to to determine the age of any person, guys, we need two things. Age relationship, and second is ratio. If we know these two things, guys, na, for example, if I say कि Bhagya is 6 months older than Priyal.
Hmm.
So this is relationship. But we don't know what is the exact date of Bhagya and Priyal. I don't know both of them actually. We cannot find out the age actually, yes. So here we need ratio. Now if they say that Bhagya and Priyal ratio is like 3:2, and then we can make the equation, we can find out the answer. It means we need two things to find out the age now. Now let's understand the question. What is the age of the Manisha? Whether it is Manisha or anything, no problem. Let's understand. Manisha is 24 years younger than her mother. This is a relationship only. By alone, we cannot find out the answer because only one information is there. We need ratio also. Here they have given the ratio. Now by combine two, we can find out the answer. The answer will be C. Common sense. Guys, if you solve this question, it will take a minimum 3 minutes. But if you go by my approach, actually, you will. Otherwise, if you want to verify, you can verify guys yourself later on. But this is approach which I'm telling, which works in the real examination. Okay. Read Bhagya this question, 50 number.
Six lecturers A, B, C, D, E, F, each of 1 hour duration, are scheduled between AM, 8 a.m. and 2 p.m. Consider the
Hmm.
question and two statements given below. Which lecture is in the third period? Statement 1.
Hmm.
Lecture F is preceded by A and followed by C, and there is no lecture after lecture B.
See again, guys, data sufficiency question. Guys, one thing is clear, that from 8 to 2, 8 to 2 means what? 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2.
Sandhya,
6 are there and 6
a
lecture are
door.
there. It means per 1 hour, 1 lecture is there. All right. Now we have to find out the third period. It means this period. It means we need to know all the period, right? Then we can download this period. So let's see data is given or not. Lecture F is preceded by A and followed by C. So A, F, C, but we don't know about who is in the which place because there are 6 places. So we cannot find out the answer division by one alone. Second, there is no lecture after lecture B. It means B is in the last, but I don't know about these 5 actually. We cannot find out the answer even by this also. And even if I combine, I cannot find out because we don't know the relationship who's in first or second or third lecture because there are 5 places actually. Because we know only one position fixed, that is B. The answer will be D. If you want to arrange a program, you can arrange. See, guys, my speed is good because, guys, I have practice, guys. So, guys, you practice yourself as well. This question and try to means underline a theme basically. What themes UPSC is repeating basically. Yes, I'm telling the way only. Hmm. Very good question. Read Priyan. Question number 54.
Let A be
Real
a
read.
C. Represent district non-zero number. District non-zero
Hmm.
number. Suppose X is the sum of all possible three-digit number formed by A, B, C.
Without repetition. Here is the catch. Then read Priyan.
Consider the following statement. Four-digit least value is X1332. Three-digit
Hmm.
greatest value of x is a triple eight.
See
Which of the
guys.
following statement is correct?
Hmm. See guys, you know what? Again, number system there was. There are three-digit number. Okay. And they are non-zero digit. It means 1 to 9.
Hmm.
Okay. And x is the sum of all possible three-digit number. So let's say guys, these are the 1, 2, 3. Why I'm taking 1, 2, 3 guys? Because they are asking the least. So I think these are the least three-digit number of the natural number. So now asking कि possible sum of the possible three-digit number. So guys, I can write these three number in six ways actually because there are three factorial. If you want to know, I can prove as well. 1, 3, 2, 2, 1,
Got it,
3,
Manish. Now we
2,
got it.
3, 1, 3, 1, 2, and 3, 2, 1. So guys, here if you see, if you add all these number guys, so here you will get 3, 2, 3, 2, 5, 3, 8, 8, 9, 9 to 11, 12. One carry. So this will become again 12, one carry 13. Again 12, again 13. 13, 32. It means first statement is right. First statement is right. Now, the three-digit greatest value of x is 88. Guys, if this number is the least, so how can the greatest value of 880? It means this is wrong, common sense. Because if the least is 1332, then how can be greatest 88 triple eight? Common sense. So second is wrong, first is right. Common sense, right? So guys, see, always understand the concept and number system. I told you number system I will teach separately. Bhagya, have understood?
Yes, Manish.
Hmm. तो क्या? Read Bhagya.
There is a numerical lock which has a three-digit pin. A pin contains 1
Hmm.
to 7. There is no repetition of digits. The digits of the pin from left to right are decreasing order. Any two
Hmm.
digits in the pin differ by at least two. How many maximum
Hmm.
attempts does one need to find out the pin with certainty?
Tell Priyal what is the demand. Tell in simple language.
See, there is three-digit pin is given to you
Hmm.
from 1 to 7. Here,
Hmm.
no repetition is given, so
No
we can put a
repetition. Yes.
PNC, a
Hmm.
permutation here. Uh,
Hmm.
from
But there
left
is
to
also
right,
one more condition, guys.
decreasing
Here,
order.
left to right and more on decreasing order.
Hmm.
It means suppose that there are three-digit number. So here it will be higher value and it will be lower value. Because left is here, so it will be in higher number here, left side, lower value here, right side. And more on minimum two gap will be there between the two number. Minimum two, see at least two. It means there can be more than two also, but minimum two should be gap actually. I'm repeating, minimum two should be there. Okay guys, no problem. Let's solve this question. See guys, these are the three pin. Okay. Now question is given 1 to 7 we can use na? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So guys, let's start with 7 only because we should always start from 7 first. Yes, means from the largest value. So suppose that there is a 7 guys. 7 is fixed now. Suppose that. So here what can be? It can be 5 here because two gaps should be there, minimum two gaps should be there. Okay, so now if there is a 5, then in a unit digit can be 3 also, 2 also, 1 also. It means three positions are there. Now again 7 I will put and I can put here 4 also because two minimum gaps should be there. But more than two can be there, at least two. So here now what option here? 2 or 1 because two gaps should be there at least. Now again I can put here 3 also. So here 1 also. So here 2 and 1. It means with 7 I got 6 position. With 7 I got 6 position. Now let's fix 6 here. So I will fix 6 here now. So now here can I get 4, but here I can get 1 or 2. So it means 2 position. Now I can get here 3 also and 1. It means now I cannot go less than that because two gaps should be there. It means कि with 7 6 position, with 6 3 position. Now let's check with 5 also. 5 is there or not? 5 and then 3 only one position. So 5 with 1. Now if I will go with 4, So 2, then 0, but 0 is not there, so not possible. So 6, 3, 9, 9 plus 10. 9 plus 1 equal to 10. The answer will be 10. Tell Priya, any doubt you have. If you watch this video again, you will understand actually. See, guys, in these types of question, you want to understand these parts, at least two. It means more than two is possible, but less than two is not possible. At least two this means. People say, nah, give me at least two toffee. It means minimum two toffee. Maximum, whatever you can give. There is the catch, guys, I think. Otherwise, there was nothing actually in this question. Bhagya?
Yes, Manish.
Hmm. Read this question, Bhagya.
Done, Manish.
There are there are eight equidistant points on a circle. How many right angle triangle can be drawn using these points as vertices and taking the diameter as one side of the triangle?
Guys, there is a catch. Priyal, first make me understand. What do you mean by this question actually? Because here important to understand first question because question is difficult
See,
somewhat.
there are
Hmm.
eight equilateral points on a circle. Make a circle,
Wait,
Manish.
wait, wait. Eight equidistant circle. Okay, so let's make circle first. This is a circle and eight na. So one, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay.
Mm.
Then read
Th-
Priyal further.
Then you have to make
How
a
many
right angle
right angle
triangles
triangle? How many
from
right
the
angle triangle? Right angle triangle means
diameter.
like that.
Mm.
Hmm. Right angle triangle. How many right angle triangle can be drawn using
Vertices to diameter.
these points? Means these 8 points as as a vertex and taking the diameter as one side of the triangle. Guys, let me tell you, there is one
Semicircle.
rule. Okay, if you make any triangle using the circle, so that will always be right angle triangle. Any doubt here? No doubt. With using diameter. So question is saying कि tell me how many diameter can be there in with eight eight vertices? One diameter, two diameter,
Eight.
three diameter, four diameter. Only four diameter is there. Any
Mm.
doubt here?
No.
Mm.
Four diameter is there. Okay. Now we have to find out with one diameter how many triangle are possible. So let's see with another triangle. Hmm. Suppose that this is another triangle, guys. Now this is one diameter. And there are how many vertices? One, two, three, four, five, 6, 7, 8. So guys, here, sorry, hmm, one, then two, then three. It means one side three. So it means ki this side also three. It means with one diameter, six triangle, right triangle is there. So four diameter means 6 4 is 24. Common sense.
Six and
Hmm. Because with one diameter, guys, six
uh,
triangle possible. So four diameter means 6 4 is 24. Hmm. Because see, this is have you understood, guys? This thing are not understood. See, I think you guys are not
how many,
understood.
Manish, after seven will be left na if we used one of them?
See,
Three will
this is one diameter, and we have these vertex,
Hmm.
right? So
Hmm.
see, we can make one like that,
Hmm.
then one like that, then one like that. So one side three triangle. So this side also three triangle. So with one diameter, I'm making six triangle. So four diameter, 6 4 24 triangle, Priyal. This is what
Okay,
I'm
got
saying.
it, got it.
Hmm. Guys, there is nothing actually, just common sense. Hmm. Guys, four questions are more left. We will complete it.
Come on.
Hmm. Hmm. Okay, so read this question, Priyal. It
24
is
men and 12 men can do a piece of work in 30 days. In how many days 12 men and 24 women do the same piece of work? 30 days.
hmm. Hmm. Option is guys like very confusing. See, option C, 30
Answer is
days,
30
more
days
than
only,
30
Manish.
days. Yes.
Mm.
No, Priyal.
But you
This is
told
not
na
that
work
much
in,
easy.
you told na work
But
inefficiency.
but but there I told you that efficiency should be same. But here efficiency is not given. Tell me where efficiency is given. कि how much man can do the work and how much work women can do. Tell
Not given.
efficiency they are not given. They have given this one, na, that they can complete the work in 30 days. But what about efficiency? It means data is inadequate. See, guys, the thing is simple. Out of three variable, if you don't know the two things, we cannot out the answer. Here, I know one thing, that is the time, but I don't know the efficiency. But for work, we need both time and efficiency also. So time is there, but efficiency is not there. So data is inadequate. Common sense, guys. That will come with practice only. Just only practice. By watching movie, this will not work. Hmm. Read this question, Bhagya.
What is the remainder when is divided by 1261?
See, guys, third
Prime
time they have repeated this
factorization.
question. I told you, whenever they ask question like that, guys, just
Take
factorize it.
calcium.
Yes.
Factorization.
So here you will get, I think,
20,
13,
13,
97.
7,
Hmm. So here
21.
these are the two factorial 13 and 97, guys, here. So
Mm.
13 and 97. So
Which one?
13, 7 ja 91 and 97. The- Guys, usually in this types of question, always the answer is zero also. But don't take it granted, guys. Jammer can be clever also. But in these types of question, always the answer is zero also. Always means in 90% cases. But be careful as well. Guys, last two questions, okay? And read this question. Real 59.
Consider the following statement in respect of a rectangle sheet of length 20 centimeter and breadth is 8 centimeter.
Hmm.
Is it possible to cut the sheet exactly into 4 square sheet if length is 25? It is possible to cut
Hmm.
the sheet into 10 triangular sheet of equal
Hmm.
area.
Guys, you know what? In this question, you know
Medium.
what? Just common sense is required. Nothing else. Just common sense is required. Yes. Bhagya, can you solve this question?
160.
Bhagya, are you there?
Yes, Manish.
Can you solve this question within 1 minute? See what is given first. See rectangle. So rectangle area means what? Length into breadth. It means
160.
28. It means what total 160 area is there. Okay. But now they are asking is square. So square area is what? A square. Square area is what? A
4
square.
square.
But guys, but guys, there is one problem with rectangle. Okay, in rectangle, sides
Equal.
equal, but in square, all are equal. That's the problem actually, guys. That's why they have asked this question. Otherwise, you know what? That
So
question would have
cute
been
it is
easy.
there.
That question would have been easy actually to find out because we would have find out the area of that and area of that, and we would have divided. But here, both are different things actually. But still, guys, don't worry. I am here. See, you know what? Let's understand first question first. See that if I want now, I can tell you with formula also this question. I will use at the last, but I will take with common sense.
See, first one
Guys,
is possible. 4 square
it
sheet.
is possible
No.
to cut the sheets exactly to four
4
square
square
sheets.
sheet. 4
So guys,
only. No.
now guys listen carefully. Don't use brain now. Just listen now. Hmm. See here, here length is 20 and this is 8. Now we have to make equal 4 square. But condition is that square is all all sides equal actually. But it is 20 and it is 8. So that is difficult. But guys, I can make it 8 also. So this is 8 and this is also 8. So one is there. This is again 8. One is there. Now this is now this is how
4.
much left? 4 is
4.
left. So here this is also 4 left now. I have divided. So 4, 4, 4. So here 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you should ask, Manish, these area are bigger and this area is small. Guys, question has not asked. Okay, they should be same. Area should not be same. This is not the condition, guys. So 4 is possible actually. It means first is right. Any doubt here?
No.
No doubt. Now, see guys, I can tell you with formula also, but I'm telling you so that you guys understand. It is possible to cut the sheets into 10 triangular sheets of the equal area. See
Mm.
guys, oh, let me clear one thing first. See guys, in one rectangle, you will get a equal two triangle, one and two. Any doubt here?
No.
No.
In one rectangle, right? You will get two equal triangle, one and two. So okay,
Mm.
then let's try to fit it.
Then Manish, there would be eight, na? So you already made the squares.
20
You can cut
and
into the
8,
triangles, na?
right?
In there.
So suppose that this is 4, this is one triangle, rectangle, this is second rectangle, this is third rectangle, this is fourth, and this is 5, right? These are the rectangle because length and width are the unequal, that's why they are rectangle. Otherwise they would have been square. Now 1 and 2, eh, right angle, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 9 and 10. It means it is possible actually. Second is also right. So guys, be careful. When you solve these types of question, na, be careful, guys. And you should know some basic thing. What is a rectangle, what is a square, and what is a right angle actually. Otherwise, you cannot bring this answer actually in time. Bhagya, any doubt?
No money.
No money. Poor girl. Priyal, you have?
No,
Priyal, you
Manish.
have it? Yes. So Priyal, read this last question.
When 70% of number x is added to the another number y, the sum becomes 165% of the value of y. When 60% of the number x is added to the another number z, then the sum becomes 165% of the value z. One of the following is correct?
See, guys, there are three variable x, y, z, and they are not asking how much they are greater. You have to just tell the trend, which one is greater than the others actually. So, guys, you can find out this answer. But the thing is that you guys will take more time. You will make the equation and you will find out the time. But I will take my way. Don't worry. See, guys, here. From first statement, when 60% of a number x is added to another number by, the sum becomes 160% of the value of y. Here is the catch. Guys, question is saying this is x and this is y. If I will reduce 70% of x and add to y, then the value of y gets changed by 65%. So guys, use your brain and tell, hey guys, I am taking 70% of the value and I am adding in by, then it is changing only 65%. So tell me, whose base is greater, X or Y? Tell
X.
Bhagya,
Okay, okay, tell.
whose base is greater, X or Y? Base.
X1.
Really, poor girl.
I'm telling
Leave
na
it.
X.
Now listen carefully. This is Bhagya and this is Priyal. Bhagya has 100 rupees and Priyal has 200 rupees. Now 10% of Bhagya means 10 rupees, right? And if I will add to Priyal, right? So it will become 210. But this 10 rupees is just 5% of Bhagya because 205% is 5. So tell me who is greater, Bhagya and Priyal? Tell
Yeah.
Priyal. So guys, here the question is asking na ki X and Y is there. I'm taking 70% and I'm adding to buy and it is just changing 65%. It means the base of buy is higher. Common sense. So from this statement, guys, I have understood one thing. Ki buy is greater than X. Buy is greater than X. It means ki this cannot be the answer. This cannot be the answer. These two can be the answer. Now let's read second one. When 60% of the X is added to another by another number Z, this is X and this is Z. 60% of X is added to Z, so it become 165%. Means ki I'm reducing less from X and becoming more change to Z. It means here X is greater. It means ki X is greater than Z. It means ki first will be the
Yeah.
answer. This is the easiest way to solve this question, guys. Otherwise, if you want to arrange the program, you can arrange the program. Bhagya, have you understood?
Yes, Manish.
Real?
Yes, Manish.
Hmm. See, guys, tell me, are you enjoying or miss just yes, yes, you guys are saying? Tell me
No,
first.
and
Tell me, guys, frankly. I mean, see, you guys can answer this question. I'm telling you. But you will answer this question or with your equation method. It will take minimum 4 minutes. Otherwise, you can check it. It will take minimum 4 minutes. But the approach which I'm telling is just common sense, guys. Yes, practice is necessary, guys. Without practice, nothing will work. Bhagya, you can stop the video.
Okay.